Don't wait for perfect English. Hello, everyone. Have you ever said to yourself, I'll start speaking English when my grammar is perfect? If yes, then this story is for you. James was a university student who loved learning English. He watched videos, learned vocabulary, and studied grammar every day. But he never spoke English. Whenever his teacher asked a question, James stayed silent. He always thought, what if I make a mistake? One day there was a speaking activity. Every student had to talk for 1 minute. James was nervous. When his turn came, he only said, I like reading books. My favorite book is adventure. Thank you. Then he sat down, feeling disappointed. After class, his teacher said, James, fluency comes from speaking, not perfection. Those words changed him. From the next day, James started speaking English for 5 minutes daily. He talked to himself, described things, read aloud, and recorded his voice. He made many mistakes, but he never stopped. After 3 months, he became confident. He could speak in class and have simple conversations. He learned an important lesson. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Now it's your turn. Speak English for 1 minute today. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Remember, fluency comes from those who keep speaking, not those who stay perfect. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.